Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to look at some problems related to polynomials. So in this video we are going to look at polynomial division, a polynomial divided by a polynomial. Okay, so here we are going to use the algorithm which is very similar to the long division for arithmetic, right? So you know the long division. For example, if you have a number like this and it is divided by 5, okay, so you know how to do the long division. So first you look at the first number and it is not divisible by 5, right? So you then look at the second number, then it is 22, right? So 22 is divided by 5. So how? So it is 4 times 5 is 20, and then you subtract is 2 and this is 0, and then you take this one to over here and then consider 29, and then 29 is 5 times 5 is 25, and the remainder is 4. So this is how you do the long division, right? And here this one is the divisor and this number is the dividend, and this one is the quotient, and this one is the remainder, right? And how do you write this whole thing? Your dividend equals divisor times quotient, right? And then plus remainder, right? So in this case my dividend is 229, divisor is 5 times my quotient is 45 plus remainder is 4, right? Okay, so if you want to write this one like this, 229 divided by 5 equals what? 45 plus 4 over 5. Okay, now we are going to use the algorithm which is similar to this long division to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Okay, so for example, I'm going to take this polynomial 5x to the power 3 minus 6 times x to the power 2 minus 28 times x minus 2. So I'm going to divide this one by x plus 2. So this is my divisor is x plus 2. My dividend is this polynomial. Okay, let's see how to do this. So as you do in the long division, first you look at the first term here. So this is the leading term. As you can see, the highest power is 3, right? So this is the leading coefficient. So let's look at this is 5 times x cubed. Then how do we make this one using this one? So we have x plus 2, but we need 5x cubed. So we have 1x over here. That means we have to multiply this one by 5x squared to get 5x cubed, right? So we can write 5. Actually we have to write over here because now it is 5 times x to the power 2, so it's with the quadratic term, so that's why we have to write it over here. Okay, so 5x squared. So what is this? If you multiply x plus 2 by 5x squared, you get what? You get 5x cubed plus 10x squared, right? 5x cubed and plus 10x squared. So you have to write down this one under this. So we have 5x cubed plus 10x squared. Now you have to subtract, right? So we do subtraction after this. So this is negative 6 and this one is also negative 10, right? Because we have a negative over here. So we are doing the subtraction. And that means 5x cubed 6x squared minus 5x cubed minus 10x squared. So these two cancel, right? Positive and negative. And this one, negative 6x squared minus this one gives you what? Negative 16x squared, right? Okay, now you are going to take this term over here, which is 28x, right? Now again you have to do the same thing like you did over here, right? So 16x squared, we have x plus 2. How do you get negative 16x squared using this x plus 2? X plus 2 multiplied by what? To get negative 16x squared is, how much is that? So you have to multiply negative 16x, right? Then you have what? Negative 16x, x plus 2 gives you negative 16x squared, right? And this one, which is negative 16 times 2 is 32x, right? Okay, so the multiplication is with this one, so you have to write down, it is over here 16x. So negative 16x times x plus 2 gives you this one. So you are going to write that over here, negative 32x, right? Now again you are going to do the subtraction, okay, here. So it is what? You have this one, subtract this term from this. Negative 16x squared, negative 28x. So subtract this one. So negative gives you positive 16x squared, and negative gives you positive 32x, right? So what is this? Here 16x squared 0, and here negative 28x plus 32x gives you what? Is 4x, right? Positive 4x. 32 minus 28 is 4x. Okay, so you are going to write 4x under this, right? 4x. We did the subtraction here, and then you are going to take this term again with the sign, okay? Now let's look at x plus 2. How do you get 4x with x plus 2? X plus 2 times 4x, you have to multiply by 4, right? So that is 4x and plus 8, right? So that is, we have to multiply by 4. You are going to write down positive 4 over here. Okay, so 4 times x plus 2 gives you 4x plus 8. So you're going to write 4x plus 8 over here. And again do the subtraction, right? Subtract 4x minus 2, subtract this one, and negative positive negative 8, right? So simplify this one, and you have negative 2, negative 8 is negative 10. So the remainder is now negative 10. Okay, so this one is your quotient, right? This is your remainder, right? And this one is your divisor, and this polynomial is your dividend. Then how do you write this everything with this? Dividend equals divisor times quotient plus remainder. So let's write that one. In our case, dividend is 5x cubed minus 6x squared minus 28x minus 2 equals what? Divisor times quotient. So the divisor is x plus 2, and the quotient is 5x squared minus 16x plus 4 plus remainder is negative 10. Okay, so that's how you divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Okay, so we just use the same algorithm as we do in the long division. I hope you understand this one. If you have any questions, you can comment. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.